Best UV umbrella. Stay safe in style. Staying shielded from the sun is vital, especially during peak hours. UV umbrellas can be your best companion for this purpose. They are designed to block harmful ultraviolet rays and provide cool shade. Choosing the right UV umbrella ensures maximum sun protection and comfort. List number 1. Dig Umbrella UV Sun. Discover the Dig Umbrella, perfect for any weather. This compact folding umbrella opens and closes automatically. It offers excellent windproof and rainproof protection, keeping you dry. The black anti-UV coating shields you from harmful sun rays. Lightweight and portable, it suits both men and women. Ideal for travel or daily use. Advantages: easy operation with auto open and close feature. Simple to use. Protects from harsh sun with UV protection coating. Stay cool. Windproof design withstands strong gusts. No more broken umbrellas. Compact size fits in bags easily. Perfect for travel. Suitable for both men and women. Stylish and versatile. List number 2. Mini Umbrella 4. Discover the charming Liadra Mini Umbrella, perfect for slipping into your purse. Its compact design offers convenience without sacrificing style. Enjoy UPF 50+ sun protection with this elegant pink parasol. Ideal for travel and everyday use, it shields against harmful UV rays. A must-have accessory for women seeking both fashion and function. Advantages: perfect for sunny days, the Liadra Mini Umbrella offers UPF 50+ protection. This feature shields your skin from harmful UV rays. Lightweight and compact, it fits easily into any purse. Never worry about rain or shine on the go. Designed for convenience, this umbrella is travel-friendly. Its small size makes carrying it a breeze. Ideal for women who need reliable protection anywhere. The pink color adds a stylish touch. Stand out with this chic travel accessory. Both fashionable and functional, it complements any outfit effortlessly. Durable construction ensures long-lasting use. The umbrella withstands daily wear and tear. A practical choice for those seeking durability and elegance. Great for all seasons, this umbrella suits any weather. Stay prepared with this versatile companion. List number 3. Wondershade Ultimate Portable. Enjoy a sunny day without worries with the Wondershade Ultimate Portable Sunshade Umbrella. This lightweight umbrella offers instant sun protection. Easily adjustable, it provides shade where you need it most. Perfect for beach outings, picnics, or sports events. Its vibrant blue color adds a touch of style to any outdoor activity. Stay cool and protected under this convenient and practical sunshade solution. Advantages: enjoy lightweight sun protection with Wondershade Ultimate Portable Sunshade. Easy to carry. Perfect for beach trips, picnics, or outdoor events. Adjustable design offers personalized comfort. Tilt and height options. Stay shaded without hassle. Set up in seconds. Quick assembly saves time. More moments enjoying the outdoors. Blue color adds style. Attractive look complements any setting. Stand out effortlessly. Durable material ensures long-lasting use. Sturdy construction withstands wind. Reliable protection every time. List number 4. 62-inch Large Golf. Stay dry and protected with the Apast 62-inch Large Golf Umbrella. This umbrella features a windproof vented canopy. It offers excellent UV protection, making it perfect for sunny days. The auto-open function ensures quick and easy use. Designed for both golf and business, it combines style and functionality. Its anti-lightning features add an extra layer of safety. Advantages: stay dry with the 62-inch large canopy coverage. Protect yourself from harmful sun rays with UV protection. Enjoy peace of mind with its windproof vented design. Open it quickly using the convenient auto-open feature. Feel safe with its anti-lightning construction during storms. List number 5. Shade Umbrella. Enjoy your day outdoors with the Amazon Shade Umbrella. This portable umbrella offers a sturdy stand and adjustable sun protection. Lightweight design makes it easy to carry, perfect for sporting events. The 6.5-foot canopy provides ample shade, keeping you cool and comfortable. Stylish navy blue color adds a touch of elegance to any setting. Effortless setup ensures instant relief from the sun's rays. Advantages: enjoy effortless setup with this lightweight, portable umbrella stand. Perfect for on-the-go shade. Gain adjustable sun protection anytime. Keeps you safe under the sun. Ideal for sporting events. Offers a comfortable, shady spot instantly. Easy to carry. Fits neatly in your travel gear or car. Durable and stylish in navy blue. Complements any outdoor setting beautifully.